Utigere chingoma ao ime ye county ya Kisumu mbunge wensemo ye bunge Embakasi East Babu Owino nigagikirega kore kyo chingaki amubwatara ni omurikyo manene ase wizara y'oburendi bw'emirimo n'OMOLLO kwa BOSIO ase okwaragania yonsi. Babu nigaganire OMOLLO AIKIGWE ya Senate eri KORINGORIGWA ase abwatukira marieta ya bonsi bari bamusagane tomo Senator Osotsi na kumubori umurai bwensi William Ruto kumubutemeremo rimorioka.
Osotsi is a peace-loving citizen. We saw what happened in Kisumu, and we know who organized the attack of Honorable Godfrey Osotsi in Kisumu. We know these boys. These boys belong to PS Raymond Omollo. He's the one financing these boys, he's the one breeding these goons in Kisumu, and he's the one who has been moving around threatening the leadership of Linda Mwananchi. It is PS Omollo's boys who attacked Godfrey Osotsi. And this is a list of all these boys. Number one, there is a boy called Lucas Otieno, popularly known as Dogo, from Kisumu, attacked Osotsi. Pinga from Manyata and sometimes in Nyalenda. There's another one called Buddha from Nyalenda. There's Ronnie from Manyata. There's Alan Owako from Nyalenda. There's Kevin from Badis. There's Kalonje Carlos from Badis Nyalenda. There's Clean Query. There's a Tito who was also there to film and also to attack. There's Boy Akoth. This is their leader. This is a notorious criminal in Kisumu. This is the person who's attacking people in Kisumu. He's the one who's financing them. He's the one who's being given money by Raymond Omollo, and he's the one who coordinates attacks everywhere across the country. He moves from Kisumu, comes to Nairobi, hires goons. Raymond Omollo gives him money. He goes to Mombasa whenever there is a rally. He's given money to finance these goons. Kisumu, he finances these goons. There's Brian Otoyo, there's Dube, there's Novi, there's Ras Okeyo, there's Sam Molo, there's Bena Ziza, there's Ronnie. These boys are notorious in Kisumu, and we are giving them a warning. We grew up in Kisumu. We will not fear these boys. These are people who came to stay in Kisumu the other day. So these are the people who attacked. DCI, you don't need to do any investigation. You already have the CCTV footage. I've given you the names. These are the names of these boys. Anybody who has a problem with this list should proceed to court. I'm ready to cross-examine them there, including the PS. PS Raymond Omollo is a PS for insecurity and goons. He's the one who's been funding these goons. This is the man who's been causing mayhem and havoc in this country. So this PS must be dealt with immediately.